Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the 4K 60 FPS video playback test in the Realme X7 Pro device. So it is a Realme X7 Pro which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and in my previous video I did a 8K video playback test as well in this mobile phone. So in case if you did miss that video, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X7 Pro, so you can find all the videos related to this mobile phone in one playlist. And definitely try to check that 8K video support, is it playable or not. But in this video I'll be focusing only on the 4K at 60 FPS videos only. So as you can see, the Dimensity 1000 plus processor and the 8GB RAM variant. So for the mobile to play 4K video, pretty much all the mid-range segment mobile phones, they can easily play the 4K at 30 FPS, but 4K at 60 FPS, only few phones they will support with the 4K at 60 FPS. So let's see whether this phone is one of that phone or not. So before playing the 60 FPS, let me try to play the 30 FPS also. This is a 30 FPS video which I am currently playing right now, and which is playing very smooth, no issues, no problem at all. The time is also going very fast, I mean not slowing down. So usually when the phone doesn't support, the video will be very slow motion mode and the video doesn't play very smooth, but overall it's playing very smooth, no issues. Let me quickly try to show you the settings and properties. So as you can see, there is a 4K resolution 3840x2160 and at 30 FPS. So now let me try to play the 60 FPS as well. And right now this is the 4K at 60 FPS video. So it's very good and very smooth. So there is no lag or delay while playing this video 4K at 60 FPS. So let me show you the properties of this video. So 3840x2160 4K resolution and 59.9 60 FPS video. So which is playing very smooth friends, without any issues. So overall the Realme X7 Pro can actually support the 4K at 60 FPS without any issues. So maybe the phone is lacking only in the 8K video, which is actually not playable in the Realme X7 Pro very smooth. It's actually playing, but it's not playing very faster the 8K video. But 4K video is playing very good without any issues. 30 FPS and 60 FPS both are very fine in this mobile phone without any issues friends. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.